Welcome to Robin's house. Today, what I have in here is the Let's Kit Together kit for July, and it's super cute. It is a, it's called Share a Smile, and it's a fun kit. It only has, well, it has one each of 8 designs, but two of the designs are very similar to each other. They just have different decorations. And it comes with a cute little box. So this is the cute little box. And it comes as part of the kit. And it has 8 matching envelopes with a cute little sunburst inside. And then we've got the cards. So the sending hugs. I will tell you, there are 2 messages I didn't use. You matter. While I think this is a lovely sentiment and a good idea, I can't imagine who I would send this to that it wouldn't sound strange. So I invaded my messages stash and I found sending hugs for this cute little peach one instead of you matter because I think it's obvious that you matter. Oh Happy Day, I did the same one. It's another You Matter uh, stamp message. So I found something else that would be nice and fun with those pretty sunflowers. And then Hang in There. And how cute is it to have a sloth with Hang in There? Very fun. You Make Me Smile with another Hang in There with some sticker bushes on a cactus. Very cute. And then just have a great day. So I thought these were super cute, nice and fun. I finished them in no time at all. And then it also has this cute little box. You could give it as a gift, or you could keep it for yourself and a cute little storage. So I hope you will participate in July's Let's Kit Together. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.